Well, here I am, just showing up to this house. We got this 5-ton air conditioner right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this panel. Okay, I just got this panel pulled off, and it has this loose wire right here. Oh, these TESMEN wire strippers have an electrical tester to tell you if it has power or not. You see that green light? It also has a beep, but watch this. It's definitely got power. No, let's cut it anyways. So in order to strip them, all you do is push it in right here, and then you just squeeze them. Oh gosh. Ooh. Hey, this thing is live. Look. I cut it anyways. It didn't spark, arc, nothing. Okay, the air conditioning just kicked on, but we're still going. We're not gonna stop. As you can see, it's still live. Let's go ahead and use the cutter part. We're gonna go right through here, just like this. And this one will probably arc for sure. Let's see. And it didn't. It didn't arc. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. Ah. All right, wire stripped, completely live too. That's not the safe way of doing it. I'm just playing around, but I just want to show you guys these TESMEN have great insulated grips. I wasn't really scared to do it at all, honestly. They're great cutters.